Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this AZDOME 3-channel dash cam. It has included a 64GB SD card. It has a built-in GPS Wi-Fi. It's 4K plus 1080p front and rear, 1440p plus 1080p plus 1080p front and side rear. It has a 3-way triple camera, so it gets your front of your vehicle, inside your vehicle, and it also has a camera for your backup camera. Alright, so right here we have our AZDOME dash cam. You can see that it has a camera right here. There's one on the other side to get inside your cabin of your vehicle. It does have GPS tracking. It comes with an app. It controls 3 channels dash cam. It has a built-in microphone, single front 4K dual channel, 4K and 1080p. The video resolution is 2160 by 1440. You can mount it by an adhesive mount. This dimensions is 1.18 dimension by 5.47 wide by 1.3 inch high. So first off, this right here would connect to the dash cam to get your backup camera. So you would just connect this into the dash cam itself. You'd have to run the wire to the back of your vehicle. You do get little stickers here to put through in your car so you can hide the wiring. It has a Sony sensor night vision with the wide dynamic processing technology and an f1.8 large adapter. Capture crystal clear images even in low light environments. So here is the charger. It always has to be plugged in because it does not have a battery. So now these are the other stickers, and it does come with some screws. The screw will go for the backup camera. It does have a built-in Wi-Fi. It is easy to check the live view, change the dash cam settings, play back and edit the video, and share photo with the AZDOME app. So you can just go into your Apple Store or your Play Store to download. It has a G sensor and playback immediately. It does have the lock function, so if you're in an accident, it will lock the footage. So when a sudden shake collision is detected, it will automatically record and lock important videos. So the insurance you can give. It supports playback immediately on an M550 dash cam. So right here you get the user manual. This basically tells you everything about the dash cam, the specifications, how to charge it, turn it on, how to connect the back cam. So this one right here on the right hand side, this shows you how to connect the back camera. So that will be your backup camera. This does have a higher resolution with a super night vision. It is equipped with high performance. It has an NT96670 processor. And it has great and ultra low light capture sensor. It has a large aperture 6 glass lens. It can record high quality videos up to a resolution of a 2160p, which is an ultra HD. It does have 2 front cameras. It's got one front camera from the front of your vehicle, one that gets inside your vehicle, and you have the backup camera. It does have 3-channel recording, a wide angle view, the front, inside, rear 3-way triple cameras, 150 degree by 150 degree viewing angle, which reduces blind areas, provides you a wide field of vision. So this is the display. So here is your charging connection. This is where you'll connect your backup camera, and there's for your SD card. So here is the camera that actually catches the front of your vehicle. This other one on the other side that catches inside your car or truck. So it has a really strong adhesive at the top. The camera right here on this side, it doesn't move back or forward or up or down. If you only want to get the view of in front of your vehicle, you can just pop that one off. Right here are your modes. You're changing your set, your reset. You've got your up, down. So here is the frontal camera. There is the sticky tape that will go onto your dash window. You've got close and open. So this is connected by magnetic. This has no built-in battery. It only has 1 milliamp lithium battery is to use for the memory time. So you can see this right here. When you remove this part, it is magnetized. And there's the magnet right here. So if you just put it on there, it just sits right in there. So when you get out of your car, if you don't want to leave it in your car, you can actually remove this part from your vehicle. It is adjustable, so you can move it up or down. The great thing about this, they do equip you with a 64 gigabyte of SD card, although it's not a lot, but at least it's something to start off. So if you don't have an extra SD card, this is something you can use until you purchase one. It has a max support SD card of 256 gigabyte. It says you have to make sure you format the card before your use. It is recommended that you use an AZDOME SD cards for optimal performance. Using third-party cards can affect the dash cam's performance. So here is the backup dash cam. So this one right here will go into where your license plate is. If you don't have a vehicle that already has a backup dash cam, if you do not need this. But if you don't have it, if you want to use it, you'll just connect this to this part of the dash cam itself. That is the power. It has a long enough wire that can get to the back of your vehicle, and you can mount it on above your license plate. If you don't want that, you can just unplug that. You don't need that. So there is an option if you do not want the camera to get the inside of your vehicle. All you have to do is pull it off. It has like a little USB port up in there just to pull it off. You have your little buttons here. You got your power, your menu. It says right there. It's at the very bottom. So if you do not want this camera, you want to make sure you take off this little plastic thing so it can get the lens. It's on both of them. So you might want to just remove those. Just pop those off. And then if you do not want that camera, like I said, you just pull it outwards towards your right and it will disconnect, and then you will only record the basically front of your vehicle. So now I'm just going to plug it in my car and then we'll see how this looks. It's got a really good crystal clear video. So right now we're in my car. I have it plugged in and you can set it up by the settings. You've got your power, your up, okay, your down, your menu. You got to click this because it's not a touch screen. And then you'll check your time. It'll tell you your date, your time, format. So you definitely want to format this before you start anything. So you can see it does have night vision. And when I said it gets the camera inside your car, you can see the little video up on the corner of the right hand side. If that is annoying and you don't want that, you can actually remove this side of the camera. But a lot of people that want to catch the back of their vehicle, so if somebody hits you, you've got it on video. This is a really nice one to have. You can see that it's super clear. I don't think this is set at 4K, but I'd have to go in and mess with the settings. It is set to voice, so when you're driving, it'll catch the voice. If you don't want that, you can change all that. You can download the app. It is free on the Play Store as well as the Apple Store. It has a built-in Wi-Fi. It does track the driving route with a GPS. It supports 3-channel, 24-hour parking monitor, needed additional hardware kit, super night vision, super capacitor. So if you're looking for a nice dash cam, I would highly recommend checking this one out. I absolutely love it. I did not like the one to get inside my car, but it's to own personal preference.